Good morning, everyone. This video this is very important for you. First of all, go into Play Store, then write Interlink, then update your applications. After you update applications, you can see this connect social and click it. And after click it, add social account. Let me add once, and let me add Facebook first, and copy paste your profile link, and we copy the profile link, and when go to Facebook you see this, and click the three dots, and go down here. Okay, here, so copy the link, then paste here. Okay, paste, click the paste buttons, click it, then next, then copy this all. Okay, after copy this and open the Facebook post, and when you post, and please, sorry, open it. After you open, then you can post here. Okay, you can post it, then click and copy the link, then paste, then connect now. Please make sure the post is set to the public and contain exact the word provided previous screen. Yeah, then connected. Then if you maybe error, you can arrange it here. Okay, disconnect, then connect again. Okay, then the other is what? The other is, let me add the X page, X, and it's simply I will show you simply, sorry, and I come here, then go to your tutor. Where is tutor? Then let me, and click the three also, this share, and copy the link and paste here. Okay, just paste here, next, and copy this, click this, third click, and okay, you can replay, but come here, I'm here, and post here, then after you post it, also posting is take a minute, and I are already done, and I copy the link. After copy the link, and come to here and paste and connect now, confirm, just the same. Okay, and also you can add others, what, TikTok, and I come to TikTok. Where is my TikTok? Here, and three buttons, and sorry, we can where is my profile? Share, yeah, share, and copy and paste here, just the same process. Okay, then the same process, copy it, and please, something related to your copy. Okay, this is just take a video or something is about this social media to connect, or I can also just make a video and post it on my TikTok account, and I will paste here again. Okay, you can do this. So for this time, I'm not posting this video, so after posting I will paste here. So connect like this one. It is very simple. Go and enjoy it.